Auctions are starting to pick up. We're actually out in Connecticut right now for the judicial auction out in Glastonbury, Mass. I'm pretty excited about this house right behind me. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna walk you quickly through what we've got and let's hopefully win. As everybody's, I'm Flipping Landlord Ninja with Two Guys Take on Real Estate. All right, guys, let's go check this out.
Two Guys Take on Real Estate.
I'm in the back of this house. We already have quite a few registered bidders. This place is occupied, so we're getting a chance to walk around. We're not getting access in. It is owner occupied, so we gotta be kind of calculating that. First thing you see right here is obviously the siding mismatch. We're gonna want to get that redone. The air conditioner right there is all dented up. The decking, it's a nice area, but you definitely have needs to either be redone. I mean, yeah, you're just gonna want to redo this. This is just looks like crap. Just kind of checking the decking. But so right now we ran our numbers, and by the way, there is a stump right there that's going to need to get removed, and also this dead tree. So yeah, so running our numbers, ARV on this one is easily 440. We're figuring roughly about $40,000 cost to get it renovated. There is a $6,000 lien on the property for taxes, so that's going to have to be paid. Then there's some closing costs, some holding costs for money. So we're trying to figure all that out together. But the auction's about to start in a couple minutes, so I'm just gonna keep walking through and we'll check it out. Get number 6. We are number 6, so here we go. We got quite a few registered bidders, so see how this goes. It's the front of the house. So as always, guys, you know that they open up the bid. It's already actually been, because it's a judicial state, they actually already told us the bid. So the bidding is gonna start at $61,000. Then of course there's any liens, which we already know about, which are also posted on that. So we do know there's about $6,000 in liens. So we're just factoring in all our numbers. I'm willing to bid about $280,000. So let's see what happens, okay?
Alright, I have 12 o'clock. The opening bid is from the town of Glastonbury for $6,636. Do I hear anything higher than that?
61,000?
Wait! What's your number?
62,000,
$61,636. Sorry.
62,000, number 6.
Number 6, 62. Okay.
100,000.
Number?
101.
None. There you go.
100,000.
I have 100,000.
120,000, number 6.
6, 120. I'm at 120. Anything higher?
180.
180. Now we're talking.
There you go.
200,000, number 6.
2. This is Glastonbury, people. Come on. I live here. 210?
10.
Bid is 210.
230.
Bid is 230.
250, number 6.
Number 6. Bid 250.
260. Number 13.
13. New number. 260.
I'll do 300.
Good for you. 300,000. It's a great town. Who doesn't love Glastonbury? Going once? $301,000. 302? 303. We done at 303? Mr. Brown?
Is that okay with you with a $1,000 increment?
You know,
You should do more work.
I'm sorry, 306? 307. You have to ask yourself, is the court going to approve this? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think you would do well.
You don't think so?
No, not a 308, no. Well, I thought I'd go 320.
Number 5 is bidding 320. 12, 321. Very 322. 322,000 for this 323.
25.
Oh my lord, a new number. 346. Going twice. 352,000.
so that's how the cookie crumbles. Unfortunately, it went for $352 to a third party, not us. And yeah, I mean, our number was 280. We went up that. We won't go. It's all about numbers game. Don't overbid. That's when you get in trouble. But yeah, so we are. Fortunately, you know, it's a numbers game. You know, you have to go to a bunch of them to hopefully win some. So what we're gonna do is, you know, try to use this time. Maybe we'll do some driving for dollars while we're out this way and see if we can find something else and make our time useful. Yeah, a little chilly out today, but yeah, so that's looks like there was probably a homeowner. I mean, at that price, it had to be a homeowner. I don't think anyone else would be buying it at that price. There was a couple other investors, and we all kind of bowed out. Probably around the same number. I mean, most people are doing the same numbers as I am. If you want to hear more about foreclosures and one that we actually got for $200, you got to check out this video. It's insane. We haven't seen anything like that in a few years, but I don't know. I have a feeling that foreclosures might be coming back. I'm seeing definitely an uptick in my area. What about you guys? Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.